Are you planning to live in Indonesia as a freelancer? Then this video is for you, where I'm going to explain my real experience and step by step how you can get the Nomad Digital Visa. It's called also E33G program. And if you are a real freelancer, watch until end so you can have all the question answer in your mind. Either it's fit in your lifestyle or if it don't. So let's get started. My name is Mohammed and welcome to Globalness Travel. In this channel we will discuss all Indonesian type visa and also how you can apply from here to another country from Indonesia if you are qualified. So we will start it with the Nomad Digital Freelancer Visa, also called it E33G. So this visa is designed for those who work for international companies and wanted to live in Indonesia like other countries. If you don't want to live in your own country and you have income from other countries and you want to experience some new lifestyle where you can have affordable life, affordable living, peace, modern structure, so then Indonesia is the best in my point of view. And the visa they also offer, it's the best compared to other around Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Malaysia. The process is also quite easy, faster than the comparison to Thailand and Malaysia, Philippines. So let's get started. How you can apply. Okay, first of all we will talk about what documents you need. Okay, so you need your passport, your picture front side of what you call a passport size, white background, and you need the bank statement at least of your 6 month or 3 month past. At least have usually acceptable with the $3,000, but I will suggest if it's more $4,000 to $5,000, then it will be more manageable, easier to get approval faster. And your employment contract, which says clearly that you work for an international company and you wanted to live in Indonesia, and you prove that this company is, you have the contract, you're working with them since when, and how much does you make. Officially it says more than $2,000 per month you are earning, but it's possible when you're applying visa to get your visa done, mostly if you are applying with the agencies. So these are the documents you needed, and also you have to you make sure you are outside the country when you are applying. And if you are inside the country on visit visa, then definitely you have to leave one time and then change it. So this way you will exit, and then when your new visa is issued, you will come back on that visa. So these are the documents, and now let's talk about how you can apply. By the way, I live in Indonesia for past 2 years, and whatever I'm talking, even right now I'm sitting in my home in Indonesia. So I'm talking based on real experience, real information. I'm not talking about by the book. So you can create an account on official immigration website to apply this visa, but honestly speaking, you need some kind of agency to get it done faster and get it approval faster. So in my suggestion, you should find out, and also if you need us, we can also help you to apply. I will talk about the price at the end of the video. And it's a simple process. You can create your account, pick up choose the visa type, uh, fill out the information, upload the documents, pay the visa fee, which we will talk about at end. And now you have to wait at least 7 working days. I will suggest 10 working days because it can be up and down. So within 10 working days you can have your visa. This visa will be e-visa, electronics visa, which will be valid for 90 days. So means within 90 days you must enter to the country. Let's say your visa is issued today, July 18, 2026, and July, August, September, you make sure before the September end you does the entry to the country. So when you do the entry to the country, then your period started, not when your visa is issued. So when you enter to the country in, let's say, in September, so from September to next September 2027 your visa will be valid until that time. But make sure in 1 month advance you tell your wherever you have applied, so they can aware of it and they can extend for you, I mean apply again for you. This cannot be extend this visa. So now when you enter to the country, at airport they might ask that what is your designated job and what you do, you know, like a normal immigration question. That's your own perspective, how you look at your case. So when they will put the 1 year sticker on your passport, and when you get in the country you will receive automatic on your email where you will receive the ITAS, I mean for 1 year ITAS, residence permit. That is your residence permit, which is you can say digital, but it's your residence permit which will be later on used it to live here, to open a bank account, to open a driving license, to rent your home, or whatever, check-in hotel, everywhere you can use that ITAS. So that is your residence permit. So I would suggest you can carry it in your phone. If you wanted to carry it, print it out, that is also okay. And now you have your visa, you are in the country, and now you can open your bank account. You can find that affordable accommodation which is fit in your budget, and you can enjoy the life, and you can go around anywhere you want. And first thing you should do, you should open your bank account. I will create a proper one video because I used to have experience with all the banks in Indonesia, most of the basic the main bank which are used to you can apply and open your bank account. So it is really quite comfortable and more convenient due to their banking system. You have eligible, you know, you can do all the stuff, and even you are running your own small e-commerce type stuff, it will be helpful for you. So now let's talk about the visa price. For the visa price, if you want to apply with us, we will by the way, immigration rules can change anytime, fee can change anytime, but at the moment we will do it for you in $850, and we take all the headache, so you can sit relax and travel with confidence. We will process everything from A to Z and get your visa in 7 to 10 working days in your email. And moreover, you can still contact me. You can we are official registered as well. I mean you can also talk to other agencies, that's not a problem, it's your own decision, but whatever we have to deliver on our own expertise. So this was the freelancer visa experience, and I believe I have covered all your question answers. But if you still have any, you can write me in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Maybe you can share with your friends so it can helpful for them. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you.